What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, I got my iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and let's talk privacy, guys. When it comes to your personal privacy, you're using your smartphone device because we do a lot of things like banking on our device. So today what I got is the perfect accessory to keep your privacy. Now, shout out to Smart Devil. They sponsored today's video. And as you can see, we got their dust-free box series tempered glass screen protector. So everything you get with a Smart Devil screen protector, that being 9H hardness, drop proof, bomb proof, all those great things that you get with these screen protectors, now you also have those with privacy. Now this screen protector works in a way where if you're looking straight at your iPhone, you can see the screen perfectly. But if you're looking from a side angle, all you're going to see is a dark tinted display, which is perfect because you don't want the person in the bank standing next to you see you type in any type of password or pin. But let's just get into what's in the box. Slide it open like so, and Smart Devil screen protectors come with everything you need to install the screen protector. So we got the cleaning kit and the dust-free box to go ahead and make sure our screen protector is perfectly lined up and installed. Now this is insanely easy, guys. This is the dust-free box. This is gonna keep any dust from getting on your between the phone display and the screen protector while you install it. You're just gonna install your device face down in this box over top of the screen protector and pull down on this tab, and magically you'll have a perfectly installed screen protector. So I got the iPhone 16 Pro loaded into the dust-free box. About to close up the box, guys. As you can see, this will be pressing against your phone, making sure it's in place and down, getting that nice good installation. Close this like so. So as you can see, we got the phone here pressed down against this tempered glass screen protector. We're gonna pull down on this tab. We're gonna make sure that we're pressing the box closed so it's the appropriate tension here. I'm gonna pull out like so. And boom, magic, voila. And here we go, guys. I mean, this is perfectly installed screen protector. You see how easy it was? Now, looking straight at the device, you can see the device, guys. This is me looking at my own phone, minding my business. Now, this is what the person next to me trying to mind my business, trying to steal my bank information or PIN number or social security number. This is what they're going to see when you turn it to the side. Nothing. Nothing is blacked out, nice and blacked out, so you can have your privacy and things of that nature. And as you can see, we turn it this way, same thing. Definitely providing you with your privacy, but at the same time, you're getting all the features that Smart Devil screen protectors come with. Now, this is a clean install, guys. As you can see, I'm touching on the screen protector. It feels like I'm touching a display on my iPhone 16 Pro. A lot of times I didn't like to use screen protectors because they felt cheap and cheesy, but this one, 9H hardness, feels just like the screen on your display. And as you can see, I'm gonna cut this down. No smudges, no fingerprints, just a nice clean display that's being protected by your Smart Devil screen protector with the privacy. Now also, guys, you got screen protectors out here that are not that strong and they crack very easily. Let's just do a little drop test on the face. That's my iPhone 16 Pro, guys. $1,000 device. Look. Works perfect, nice, not cracked. But definitely, guys, there's a link down in the description. Go ahead and get you a privacy screen protector. Protect your privacy, protect your information. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Link will be down in the description, and you can save money with that link and my code down in the description. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.